tucked away inside the campus of the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IISER Mohali, are the Clean India Mission prototype dustbins that combine the use of discarded materials and the very Indian concept of frugality and resilience. Capable of being installed in public places, the bins have been designed to address problems that affect today's trash cans, including stray animals rummaging through them, and the difficulty of cleaning them. The bin has been designed and built by a chemistry professor on campus, Samrat Ghosh. Ghosh's bin is a tall, green structure mounted on 4 frames, and has been built with discarded shelves from IISER's library and glass shards left over from construction sites. He says it more conducive to sanitation workers who manually clean the bins. Normal trash cans have only one opening, over which a plastic bag is fixed. Once the trash gets heavy, the bags tear when workers attempt to pull them out, soiling the bin. Ghosh's design enables a cleaner process by using a sand clock mechanism to regulate trash flow. A regular trash bag, now cut open at the bottom, is placed on the bin normally. There is a cinched middle enabled by a knot. A receptacle is placed at the bottom to collect the trash that falls through this sand clock-like structure. The center nut can be tightened or loosened depending on how much trash is expected to fall in. This whole mechanism is enclosed in a rectangular frame with a door, which prevents access to trash completely. This solves the problem of hungry stray dogs that rummage through trash looking for food, scattering it all over the roads, says Ghosh. The structure is also resilient enough to withstand winds and rains, with the ability to thrust its legs into the ground to stabilize it. Trash cans on the streets today also face an additional trouble of being difficult to clean. Dirt sticks to the insides, and large bins have to be washed manually with water that can only be poured in and held. Ghosh's bin allows for the top garbage bag, even if of a low quality, to stay in place, thus requiring only its cleaning and not that of the bin directly. One bag, Ghosh estimates, can be reused multiple times and the whole structure can just be hosed, making for easy and regular cleaning. This prevents stench and accompanying flies and insects that can transmit diseases. There are lots of problems with today's designs, explained Ghosh, and that he has attempted to fix a few of them with his novel design. Still in its prototype stage, this trash can is currently in use only in IISER Mohali campus, with several improvements in its design underway. The trash can is also quite economical. It cost me all of Rs 500 to make this, as I just needed to buy tools from Amazon. All the raw material was waste discarded from construction sites and our own library's metal frames, says the chemistry professor. The bins also come with wheels and can be dismantled and packed into a thin box like the ones that transport our LCD television screens. Can they be used in our homes? Yes, says Ghosh. I was instructed to build this by our founder director and Sathyamurthy, who was concerned about the trash cans in use today and is familiar with the work I do, Ghosh says. Armed with his undergraduate and postgraduate degrees, and 2 postdocs, all in chemistry, Ghosh has dedicated his entire time to making products on the side that would benefit the common public. Ghosh is an extremely well-known figure in very niche circles. In the past, he has built a safety lamp that allows for easy refills, a needle-less button attacher for fabrics, pipettes and burettes for the differently abled, and more. He was recently in the news for developing eco-friendly firecrackers that burst with light and sound but produce no smoke. For everything I create, I always try to answer 2 questions: can it be constructed from cheap material or items discarded as waste, and will it impact societal behavior? I want my products to do both, Ghosh says.